Let's look at the drone. See how the propellers spin. These two go clockwise. What are these two arms? Located here, there's an A and an A. If you look real close, right here, you can see the A. If it's not clear enough, just turn it upside down and look on here. You see a large A. Now look at the blade. This blade goes on an angle like so. And this one goes that way. That'd be this blade right here. You want to make sure that this one and this one over here are the identical blades. You're given one. On the other blade that you see in the distance over here, this is for this one and that one. These are known as B. A, B. This is a B blade and this is an A blade. Even though on here this says A and B together, you have to make sure that these are on correctly, otherwise your aircraft is doing exactly what it's going to do. Flip and break.